In this video, we'll compare MATLAB and Python as data science and AI tools. Welcome to our comparison of MATLAB and Python, two popular programming languages for data science and AI. Data science and AI tools are essential for analyzing data, building models, and making predictions. Let's dive into the strengths and weaknesses of MATLAB and Python. MATLAB is a powerful numerical computing environment, while Python is a versatile general-purpose language. MATLAB is well suited for tasks such as numerical computing, signal processing, and image processing. MATLAB's strengths include its numerical computing capabilities, signal processing tools, and specialized toolboxes. MATLAB can be slower than Python for certain tasks and less flexible when working with large datasets. Python is a widely used programming language with a large community and a wealth of libraries and frameworks for data science and AI. Python's strengths include its versatility, vast libraries, machine learning focus, and ease of use. Python can be less efficient for numerical tasks and may require more code for certain operations. Let's compare MATLAB and Python in terms of syntax, learning curve, libraries, performance, scalability, community, and support. MATLAB has a steeper learning curve than Python, but its syntax is often more concise and easier to read. Python has a wider range of libraries and toolkits for data science and AI, including scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. MATLAB is generally faster for numerical tasks, while Python is more scalable for large datasets. Both MATLAB and Python have large communities and active online forums, but Python's community is generally larger. The choice between MATLAB and Python depends on your specific needs and requirements. MATLAB is a better choice for specialized tasks such as numerical computing and signal processing, while Python is a more versatile option for general-purpose AI and machine learning. Ultimately, the best tool for your project will depend on the specific requirements and your own preferences.